Hi, thanks for joining my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk to you more about what virtual assistants can do in your business to help you grow your business. What can a virtual assistant do for you? They can do so much. Basically, anything that you can outsource, a virtual assistant can do that you don't need somebody in-house to do. The only thing you really need somebody in-house to do, honestly, is going to be making copies or making folders or things that physically need to be done. Everything else can be outsourced. So you need to think about, what can a virtual assistant do for me? They can literally do research for you. They can do different types of, travel arrangements. They can do personal things. They can do creative things, customer service, help you with your database. They can help you with your marketing. They can do a lot. But the amount that you're going to pay for a virtual assistant in the United States is much different if you're going to get them from a different country. So in the United States, depending on their skill set and what they can do, can start anywhere between $15, $20, $30, up to $70 per hour. Yes, $70 per hour. If you outsource it and you want to hire a virtual assistant yourself, you can usually get them, anywhere. Again, they're going to be on, skill set. So you can usually get them anywhere from, $3, $4, $5, $7 an hour. And through a company, a good company, it might cost you between $8 and $12 an hour. But is it worth it through a company? Of course, they can help you save a lot of time and money in the long run. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. But when you're hiring virtual assistants, they do so many different things, right? So somebody who has a creative skill set is completely different than somebody who is going to do numbers or accounting or bookkeeping. Totally different. You can't take one virtual assistant and make them everything. They will not do it well. You're not going to set them up for success. So you definitely want to look at what they're doing for you. So we put them into different categories. We like general administrative assistant. Those are the people that can, do personal stuff for you, travel arrangements, emails, calling, if they have experience, calling people, following up, different types of things like that. Just general administrative. Like just having a general administrative person in your office, that's what they can do. Okay. Then you, of course, your creative virtual assistant, they can do so much for you. But remember, everything that they're doing needs to be in the creative realm. So, video editing, they can optimize video, they can do social media, they can do flyers and marketing. They can do so much that is all in the creative realm of business. Then, of course, you have customer service. They can answer your phones, they can call people back, they can follow up with people, they can help you with your database. So many different things. So all the different types of virtual assistants, you have to think about, what do I need and what kind of job description can I have for this virtual assistant to help me? And know that, especially if they're overseas, they might say they can do it all, but trust me, when you're working with them and stuff, you're gonna find a lot of mistakes if they don't have the skill set, or if they don't, different people are good at different things. So just know that you have to get used to figuring out what they can do. A lot of the time when we hire a virtual assistant, I'll hire people because I can tell they're gonna be really good at a certain thing, but sometimes when I actually start working with them, they're better at other things, okay? And then I just, I'm looking for talent. So talent is always what I'm looking for in a virtual assistant. If I need to change their job description, because once I'm working with them, I see other things that they could do better or addition to, then I switch their job position. So it's always about the talent, the accountability. Do they communicate well? I'm always looking for people who communicate really well. People I can trust, okay? People that listen well, okay? That implement well. I love good researchers. I love people that put together good presentations. I do presentations all the time, all over the US. So I'm always looking for good presentations and how can I do this better and how can I do that better. But anyways, so think about your virtual assistant and all the things that they can be doing for you. Make a list of them and make a list of what you're doing and really circle what you shouldn't be doing. So if I am the owner of a business, I'm really looking at dollar productive things that I should be doing. Solving big problems, making sure that I'm talking and marketing, okay? How can I market things better? What can I do there? Also following up with some top clients, training and hiring. So those are things that are big rocks for me to always be working on my business to get better. So anyways, hope that was some good tips. Hope you learned something today. Follow me on YouTube here, and I will be sharing more tips on virtual assistants with you every single week. Like my channel, comment, let me know what you think. If you want me to answer questions, I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to make videos out of questions that you have about being successful with virtual assistants. And also, definitely follow my channel and share. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.